Alright, so today is test day or science day. I got an interesting project to give a little quick backstory. When I first started pouring, I was using a generic pouring medium instead of Floetrol, and somehow while using it, one of the pictures, it came out with this super crazy glossy effect that I wanted to try and recreate, and that's what today's video is about. So let's roll into that, and I'll talk more about the process while the pouring's going. Alright, so we have everything already mixed in our pour cup. For colors, I use titanium white, ultramarine blue, light magenta, rouge, and phthalo green. And I'm not going to really get into the mix ratios for each color just because we don't really know whether it's going to work out yet. But go ahead and enjoy the pouring action. Alright, so we're back and the painting is all dry and it definitely looks good. I love the colors and the mixes. However, didn't get the effect I was going for and kind of bummed out about that. But that's okay. I live and learn. That's what this whole process was about. And I'm also going to be done with that pouring medium altogether and just stick to Floetrol only and not mixing the two, because when this one dried, it kind of created a texture finish that, while doesn't negatively affect the picture or painting, but it's just not something I was going for. And that was either due to the generic pouring medium I added, or the fact that I used too much silicone. I did kind of go a little overboard with it, or a combination of both. Either way, that stuff hasn't been that great since day one. Want to get away from it. Either way, good painting. Hope you enjoyed the process.